This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Mini Evo to your phone, step by step. First, you'll need to download the dedicated Instax Mini Evo app. This essential application is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Simply search for Instax Mini Evo in your device's App Store and install it. This app acts as the bridge between your camera and your smartphone, enabling seamless photo transfers and remote control features. Next, let's prepare your devices for connection. Power on your Instax Mini Evo camera. You'll find the power button typically on the top or side. Simultaneously, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. This wireless technology allows your phone and camera to communicate. Keep your devices relatively close, ideally within 10 meters, to ensure a strong and reliable connection during the pairing process. Now it's time to pair your camera with your phone. Open the Instax Mini Evo app you just downloaded. The app will guide you through the pairing process. Look for an option to connect to camera or pair device. Select your Instax Mini Evo from the list of available devices. You might see a confirmation prompt on both your phone and camera. Simply accept it to finalize the connection. This usually takes just a few moments. Once successfully paired, you can start transferring your beautiful photos. Within the Instax Mini Evo app, navigate to the image gallery. You'll see the pictures stored on your camera. Select the ones you wish to save to your phone, and with a tap, they'll transfer to your device's photo library. You can also use the app as a remote shutter or explore its creative filters, giving you more control over your photography experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.